Okay, Bhavya, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Can you turn on your camera? Okay, how are you, Bhavya?
It's fine.
Are you back to your home?
No.
Okay, still in village.
Yes.
Okay, I just want to clear. See, once you send me the syllabus of semester 1. So in that one chapter is environment, our Earth and its living world. And another two chapters are from last portion, last part. So is it for semester 1?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so did you attend the class when I taught Earth and its living world?
No.
Okay, you just go through the book, and if you need me to teach it again, I will teach you. Okay,
Okay.
just go through it. Okay, so let me ask some questions. See, we learned food for all. So from that, first, drip and sprinkle irrigation are dash methods of irrigation. Drip
It's a
and
modern.
modern method of irrigation. Okay, drip and sprinkle irrigation are modern method of irrigation. Then spoiled food has reduced dash value.
It's a nutrition.
Nutritional value. Okay, very good. The population of our country is dash.
It's a increasing.
Increasing. Okay. Dash can be dried and stored for a long time.
It's a spices. Water.
Spices. Okay. Very good. Now, see this question. What are the advantages of using improved seeds?
The advantage of using improved seed as the improved seed have a higher yield and
Yeah.
it grow rapidly.
Okay. Okay. It will be of good quality, so it will give good yield also. Okay, and it has the uh, capacity, or it has the ability to resist pest. So all these points you can add. What are the different methods of preserving food? Preserving food. What are the different methods? Can you tell Bhavya
Air
what are the different
cooling,
methods?
air cooling, placing in airtight cans,
Yeah.
drying,
Yes,
other
drying.
method of
Yes, drying, boiling, refrigeration. Okay, and keeping the food storing in airtight containers. Okay, now describe the drip irrigation method. So how you will write drip irrigation method? In drip irrigation, how the water is or how the crops get water?
in deep irrigation that there was pipes and the pipes has all and the plants were grow with the holes of pipe.
Yes, in drip irrigation, long pipes are used and it contains holes, so the water will irrigate. Your water will come out and it helps in the irrigation of plants. So there you can add these 2 points also. So it helps to prevent water loss. Okay, it helps to prevent water loss. So this way we can save water. Like this you can add. What are preservatives?
Teacher, the preservatives are
Hmm.
vinegar, oil, lemon, salt, and sugar.
See, when the question is like this, what are preservatives? You have to define. You have to first you have to explain what are meant by preservatives. Okay, so what you will write, the substances which added to increase the life, or to stop spoilage of food, that is called preservative. So in that class I have shown the explanation also. Do you remember? So first,
Yes.
if the question is like this, give examples for preservatives, then you can directly write vinegar, oil, all those things. But when they are asking what are preservatives, first you have to write the substances which are added to food to stop spoilage of food, and it helps to increase the life of the food, shelf life of the food. Okay, then you can write examples are vinegar, oil, all those things. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what methods are used to preserve food grain? What are the method? What are all methods we can use? To store food grains? See, we can use airtight containers. Okay, and you can say by putting neem leaves, we can store it for long days. All these methods you can mention over there. Clear, Ali Hassan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then why we make jams from fruits?
Because the fruit was spoiled easily when we make jams and sauce of the vegetables and fruits. They were not spoiled at long time.
Okay. Yes, Bhavya, you were saying something. Why we make jams from fruits?
This because fruit is strong.
Fruit is strong. See, when we make jams, we
Fruit
add.
make us strong.
Okay, but why we can't store as it is? Why we can't store mango for long days, but we can store jam for long days made from the same food? Why? Because when we make jams, we add preservatives. Okay, so it helps the food to keep longer days. Okay. Okay, so now let's start with lesson number 11, our home and environment. Okay, in this class, anybody is from Rajasthan? Anybody visited ever Rajasthan, Assam, any northern states? Okay, Ali Hassan. No, where Ali Hassan? Where is your native? Where is your village?
Teacher, Konkan.
Okay, Konkan.
Konkan.
And Bhavya?
Miss Udaipur.
Okay. Okay. Have you seen in the movies or in TV, in any program, houses in Rajasthan, Assam? Have you seen how the houses are in Rajasthan, Assam?
Yes, miss. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, is there are there same houses available? The same houses which are present in Mumbai or Pune, the same houses we can see
No,
over
teacher.
there also?
No, teacher.
No.
No, teacher.
Okay. So what difference you have noticed? Is there any difference?
Teacher, the roofing was changing. The roof was changed.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay, so we know that in India there are different states. Okay, so in different regions of India, the houses are also different. Okay, their infrastructure is different. Okay, so today we'll learn why the houses in different regions are different. Okay, so first tell me, what materials are used for building houses? Have you seen construction of houses? How the houses are
Yes, teacher.
constructed? Okay, so what are all materials?
Cement.
Yes, cement,
Cement, POP.
POP. Okay, then
Channels.
sorry.
The channels.
Okay, then how we make the walls of a house?
Colors.
Only cement is enough?
The bricks.
Bricks, we need bricks, we need furniture, we need cement. All these materials are required to make a house. Okay, so why we need house? Can't we live without a house?
For
Yes, why we need house?
protecting us
Yes, house protects us
from rain, thunderstorm.
Yes, from rain, thunderstorm, house protects us, isn't it? So let's see the how house helps us. Okay, so the main purpose of a house, you can see it is a shelter. Okay, house is a shelter, a resting place. Okay, resting place means, what is meant by resting place? Resting place means, yes, explain in your words. What did you mean by resting place? Yes, Ali Hassan, come on, tell me.
मुझे नहीं मालूम.
Resting place, in the word itself, it is given. Resting place. Yes, Bhavya, try. Resting place means? See, after your school, after your journey, where you take rest.
Miss home, hotel.
Home. Hotel. After school work, you will go to hotel to take rest.
No.
Then from school, you will directly come to your house. So it's a resting place, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So house is a shelter, house is a resting place. Then it protects us from wild animals. Okay. So because we have a house, we are protected from wild animals. Otherwise, we will be attacked by wild animals. Okay. Then it also, as Bhavya told, it also protects us from the sun, wind, cold, rain. See, imagine if you don't have house and it's a rainy day. What will be the situation?
We will be wet.
Yes, you will get wet. Okay. If it is a sunny day, what will be the situation if you don't have a house?
We will have fever.
Fever, you will get fever. Okay. Okay. So our house, it protects us from the sun, wind, cold, and the rain. And not only that, so in such way, it keeps ourselves safe from antisocial elements. So what is meant by antisocial elements? Anyone, please? What is meant by antisocial elements? Any idea?
No.
See, antisocial elements means we know that in our area thieves are there. Thieves, you know who are thief?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay, so in our area thieves will be there. Then persons who drunken person will be there. Is it clear? Drunken person.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, so if we don't have a house, these people will, what they will do? If we don't have a house, what they will do?
They will attack.
They will attack us. Very good. So our house keep ourselves safe from such antisocial elements. Okay, so understood what are the purpose of a house? Okay, yes, Bhavya, can you read any three points from the screen? I hope my screen is visible.
Miss, it is visible, but points. Yes, miss.
Okay, so Bhavya, can you read any 3 points from the screen?
Yes, miss. A shelter.
Okay,
A resting place.
okay,
Protection from wild animals.
okay, very good. Now, Ali Hassan, can you read the rest of the points?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Protection from wild animals. Protection from the sun, the wild, the cold, and the rain.
it's
Keeping
wind. Okay,
ourselves safe. Keeping ourselves safe from antisocial elements.
okay, very good. Now, I will show you some houses and I have labeled it as A, B, C. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me how these 3 houses are different. How it differ from each other. You observe it properly and then tell me.
मुझे फोटो नहीं दिख रहा उसका.
It's not visible.
Yes, teacher. It is visible.
Okay. Yes, Ali Hassan, now can you see?
No, teacher.
I will maximize it. Show. See, now can you see?
No, teacher. अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा उसका.
नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay. Yes, Bhavya, can you tell me the difference between with each of the house, how they are differ from each other?
Miss, first is made of a mud.
Yes, first house is made up of mud. Okay,
Second is made of
leaves. Okay, and the third?
Third is made of cement.
Cement. Okay, so Ali Hassan, in this there are 3 types of houses. First house is made up of mud. Okay, clear, Ali Hassan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, second house is made up of leaves, only leaves. Okay, using only leaves, the second house is made. And the third house, it is made up of bricks, cement. Okay, so these are the 3 types of houses which is shown in the picture. Okay, now which of the above houses appears to be the safest? So among these 3 types of houses, which will be the safest house?
Cement.
Yes, Ali
C.
Hassan. Yes, Ali Hassan.
टीचर जो लास्ट वाला है ना सीमेंट से बना हुआ.
हाँ,
Oh.
yes, okay, very good. Yes, Bhavya, why the house C will be safest?
Miss, because the mud house can melt with water and leaf house can flow.
Okay, if suppose storm is there, the leaf house, the leaf can be fly. Okay, and mud house, it will be easily breakable. So which is the strongest? Yeah, which is the safest house? Third one is the safest house, which is made up of bricks, cement, all those things. Okay, so have you seen this kind of houses A and B anywhere? In cities, can you see A type of houses which is made up of mud? In
Yes,
cities,
teacher.
Yes.
in cities, have you
Yes.
seen in cities?
Yes.
Okay, where?
No, teacher. मैंने नहीं देखा.
Miss, in my front there is poor and needy people live there.
Okay, 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 fine. Okay, now I will show you another picture. See, can you see in map of India?
No. Yes.
Oh, 1 second, I will maximize it. 1 second.
Now we cannot see a presentation.
Yeah, I will show 1 second. See, now can you see?
Miss, no, it is loading. Yes, Miss.
Okay, so before this, what you have to do, take your notebook. Is it available? Take notebook and pen. What you have to do, first draw. I will show you one table. You have to draw that table. See, is this table visible? Can you see the table?
Yes.
Yes,
So,
teacher.
so what you have to do, you have to make a table. In that table, 3 columns you have to make. First column, you will write region. Okay, plains, regions of heavy rainfall, regions of medium rainfall, desert region, marshy regions, mountainous regions. Okay, and the next 2 column where type of house, reason, you will leave blank. So first make this table and then tell me. If once it is over, just show thumbs up. Yes, Kedar, where were you? Why you are late today, Kedar?
मैं किधर तो बाहर गया मतलब बाहर गया था.
Okay, so do one thing. Take the notebook. Can you see one table on the screen?
Yes, teacher.
हाँ, that you have to copy it in your notebook. Afterwards, I will explain you. Okay, you have to make 3 columns where it is mentioned region, type of house, reason, and different regions are given: plains, regions of heavy rainfall, regions of medium rainfall, desert region, marshy regions, mountainous regions. Bhavya, are you writing?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Dhoni.
Okay. And here, instead of reason, you mention it is shape. Okay. Don't type.
Finished.
Instead of reason, you write over there shape. Okay. Region, type of house, then shape. Done. Ali Hassan, Bhavya, Kedar.
Yes,
One-
teacher. Done.
Okay. Once it over, show thumbs up. Okay. Bhavya, your camera is off. And another thing, you have to download Smart India app. Have you downloaded?
No.
You have to download it because tomorrow onwards you have to join through Smart India app. See, today, previous to Zoom link, I have posted another link. Did you try on
Yes,
that
miss.
link?
Yes, miss.
So you were able to join.
Yes, miss. I was joined.
So what it was showing? When you click
Miss,
on
it
that,
was
it was.
Meet is what joined. Web browser.
Okay, then.
Then I leave because you send the Zoom meeting link.
Okay, okay. And Ali Hassan? Ali Hassan, when you joined, what did,
मुझे
what,
समझ में नहीं आया
huh?
टीचर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया
Okay, देखो आपको स्मार्ट इंडिया ऐप डाउनलोड करना है. Everyone has to download Smart India app. So tomorrow
तो मैंने किया
onwards, किया. Okay, कल से जो भी क्लासेस रहेगा आपको वो स्मार्ट इंडिया ऐप थ्रू ज्वाइन करना है. You have to join through Smart India app. Clear? So after clicking on the link, if you are not able to join, immediately call the teacher or message in that group. अगर आपको कुछ difficult issues face हो रहा है तो तुरंत आपको टीचर को बताना है, नहीं तो वो ग्रुप में मैसेज पोस्ट करना है. Okay? Okay. So now I will show you India's map. See, so we know that there are different states in India and the landforms are also different. Okay, we have learned about landforms in the last lecture. Okay, now see, there are different regions in India. Can you see in all the regions the houses are same? Are the houses same in all the regions?
No, teacher.
No, they are different. Let's see. Now open your table also. So you have to check your table. Then you have to find out from this map what kind of house is present over there. For example, first it is given plain. Plain means the land is plain. Okay. So in plains, what kind of houses are present? देखो plain region में what kind of houses are present?
L-shaped shapes.
What shape? So see, plain. See how the roofs are made. How the roofs are made in plain region.
Flat.
Flat roofed. Very good. So plain region में the houses, roof of the houses are flat. Okay. So in the type, what you will write? Flat roofed house. Clear? See, where it is given plain, the type of house is flat roofed. Can you see what I am typing?
No, teacher.
Okay. See, now, so in plains, flat roofed houses are present. And what is the shape? Shape of the house?
L shape.
What shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangular. Okay.
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. So, so in the first column, where the region is plain, there you will write flat roofed house. Okay, flat roofed house, and the shape is rectangular. Flat roofed house, and the shape is rectangular. So here you will write rectangular shape. Clear? If it is clear, show your thumb. Any doubt, Ali Hassan, Kedar?
No.
Okay. Now, next region is regions of heavy rainfall. Okay. So, mostly this region will comes in southern side. Let's see. Yes. So, the regions in heavy rainfall. See, here you can see regions of heavy rainfall. So, in this region, how the roofs of the houses are constructed, how the roofs of the houses are made.
Triangle.
I'm asking the roof. So is it flat? Is it slope? How the roof? How the roofs are constructed?
Just
Yes, sloping roof. So in the where heavy rainfall region is mentioned, there you will write sloping roof. And the shape of the houses?
Just square.
Is it square? Or rectangular?
The rectangular.
Rectangular. Okay. So how you will write? Where region of heavy rainfall is mentioned, there you will write sloping roof. So what could be the reason why the region where heavy rainfall is there, the roof is constructed sloping roof? Why the roof is sloping? Any
Because the water where the rain was heavy.
So why the rain, if the rain is heavy, if you are constructing flat roof, what happened?
Water was down to draw to the slope.
Yes, in sloping roof, the water will go down. It will not collect on the roof. Okay, so this is the reason why in the region of heavy rainfall, the roof is sloping roof. The roof is sloping roof. Clear? Okay. Now, next, and listen, this class will over now. So I will share you new link. Okay, so till that you can fill this in your textbook page number. Open your textbook page number 52. You will get the picture. Page number 52. Open this picture and compare it with your table. So after regions of heavy rainfall, it is given regions of medium rainfall. So again, observe the map. Where it is regions of medium rainfall, what kind of house is there? That you have to write here.